Okay. For the information again for everyone, rank 2 and our second runner-up and our first runner-up got the same rank 3. But in cases of tie, we will get the average of their percentage grade. So that's the difference. So the difference of the second runner-up and first runner-up is just point something, 0.1, 0.2. Okay? For our first runner-up, Saint Andrew School.
A big round of